Hi, in this video we are going to see a bumper opportunity to the any postgraduate and even the fresher also. That means whatever the specialization you belongs to, it's unnecessary guys. But if you are having any post graduation without experience also, you can apply for the designations or the positions whatever I am going to show you in this video, and you can get up to 1,77,500 rupees per month. And these are all the regular vacancies announced from the central government recruitment notification, and you can apply from all over the India. From any state you can apply for these positions. Okay, and if your job requirement is not there in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If we got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely we will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGC candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English, okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC online live classes from the Unacademy side. To the present content of the video, so it is the Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, so it is a central institute guys. So from this one here we got the different vacancies in the administrative as well as the technical cadre. So if you want to apply online, then you have to click on this one. Anyhow, I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So first we will go to the advertisement guys. So click on this one and then you will be directed to this advertisement. Fine. So here the total 11 pages are there, but I will tell you the main concepts, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So if you want to get the accurate and more details, okay, you can go through the link that I kept in the description box of this video guys. And next, so IIT Kanpur is an institute of national importance declared as such under the Institute of Technology Act 1961. And the institute is search for suitable Indian nationals for appointment of the following post on regular basis with 1 year probation, which may be extended based on assessment of the performance. And here the vacancies are deputy registrar, assistant registrar, one is the central library, Hindi officer, students counselor, junior technical superintendent. And so here the pay levels also you may check down. For the deputy registrar, it is a level 12, and coming to 2 to 6, level 10. And in the junior technical superintendent, okay, level 6. So in this one, ACMS BSBE Computer Center, Central Cryogenics Facility, and Central Experimental Animal Facility, and Earth Science New Office Automation. Okay, and the junior superintendent and physical training instructor required. Okay, and coming to the junior technician, it is a level 3 category, and here the ACMS Center for Nanoscience and Experimental Animal Facility, Chemistry, CSC, Earth Science, Sustainable Energy Engineering, and junior assistant and driver cadre. Right? So the total number of vacancies as per the caste category also mentioned here. You may check down guys. And coming to the age limitations, Group A, B, C. So Group A, serial number 1 and 2 to 5 are the Group A, and 6 to 10 are the Group B, and 11 to 13 are the Group C. So age limitations are mentioned here. So you please check down guys. And quickly we will go into the qualifications. Why? Because here the so many designations are there. So please be patient, say up to end of this video to know the qualifications of all these designations. Okay, first one, deputy registrar, master's degree with at least 55% of marks and 5 years of experience, or 9 years of experience as an assistant professor, and the desirable you may check down guys. Next one is assistant registrar in library. So master's degree with 55% of marks, any master's degree. Okay, and experience also not required. Okay, fresher is enough. But while coming to the desirable case, they mentioned as a master's degree in library science, okay, with minimum 8 years of experience, right? And coming to the assistant registrar, 3 OBC and 1 PWD and UR and EWS and are there. So essential, any master's degree with 50% of marks. Okay, that is essential. So even though if you are a fresher, any PG, you can apply for this one. And coming to the desirable, so some experience, all these things are kept. And coming to the Hindi officer, master's degree with 55% of marks in Hindi with English as a subject at the degree level, or else few eligibility conditions are mentioned here, so you may check down. Okay. And coming to the job responsibilities also given here. And coming to the students counselor, MPhil in clinical psychology with first class, or MA in psychology or clinical psychology with first class, and 3 years of relevant experience must be there. And coming to the junior technical superintendent translation, so PG in Hindi with English as a subject at the degree level with 1 year of experience, and a few more qualifications are also mentioned here, so you may check down, guys. And coming to the next one, junior technical superintendent, MSc or BTech or BE in respect to disciplines, okay, with 2 years relevant experience, or a diploma with 3 years relevant experience. And coming to the ACMS, Advanced Center for Material Science, MSc in physics or BTech or BE in engineering, or a BSc in physics with 2 years of experience. That means if you are having the MSc in physics, BTech or BE in these disciplines, then the experience is not required, guys. Okay, so you can apply directly with the, if you're here they mentioned that experience is mentioned here, so 3 years of hands and all these things. So you please check down once this one. Okay, and coming to the job responsibilities also given. And in the biological science, MSc in bioinformatics or computer science, or BTech or BE in computer science with 2 years of hands-on experience. And the computer center, BTech or BE in CSC with 3 years of experience, or MCA with 5 years of experience. And a few more points are also mentioned. And the job responsibilities also. Coming to the physics, MSc in physics or BTech or BE in mechanical engineering, or MSc in physics with 2 years of relevant experience, or diploma in mechanical engineering or electrical from respect to state board with 3 years of relevant experience. And the central experimental animal facility, so 4 years bachelor's degree of veterinary science, 1 year of work experience in health monitoring and handling the rodents and other small mammals for research purpose and academic or R&D organization. And the Department of Earth Science, MSc or BTech or BE in Geology or Earth Science, and one should have the hands-on experience of at least 2 years. And coming to the new office automation, so BTech or BE in CSC or IT with 1 year of experience, or MCA with 3 years of experience, and should have good knowledge in HTML, CSS and the Bootstrap like this. And the post-junior superintendent Center for Nanoscience, Master in Science with 5 years of relevant experience, or bachelor's degree with 7 years of relevant experience. And coming to the junior superintendent, master's degree with 5 years of relevant experience, or bachelor's degree with 7 years of relevant experience. And the physical training instructor, bachelor's degree in physical education with a diploma in coaching from reputed institutions such as NIS Patiala and NSSC Bangalore, and so few things are mentioned here, or else a master's degree in physical education with post-master's degree 4 years of relevant coaching experience. And the junior technician of various departments, so bachelor's degree in respect to disciplines, or diploma in engineering of minimum 3 years of experience, okay, knowledge of computer applications. So here, for the case of junior technician, if you are having the bachelor's degree, then you can apply for this one, guys. No need of experience also, and even though if you are a fresher also, you can apply for this one. Okay, so that means we can take here any graduate, okay, any bachelor's degree for the post of junior technician, fine. And coming to the Advanced Center for Material Science, so bachelor's degree in those departments, or diploma in engineering of minimum 3 years of duration. Okay, and with some experience also. And coming to the Center of Nanoscience, okay, the job responsibilities and the experimental animal facility, so BSc in medical laboratory technology. And coming to the chemistry, MSc or BSc in chemistry with the knowledge of hardware, 2 years of experience in the chemistry laboratory. And coming to the computer science, BTech in computer science in IT with 5 years or more experience. And earth science, BSc geology or applied geology, so in these things, and relevant experience. And sustainable energy engineering, so undergraduate degree in mechanical engineering and experience also mentioned here. And a junior assistant, bachelor's degree with knowledge computer applications, any bachelor's degree. So here the junior assistant, any bachelor's degree with fresher also, okay, with 0 years experience also you can apply for this junior assistant, fine. And next one is a driver. So these are all the different things, guys. And coming to the application fee, Group A post from serial 1 to 5, 500 rupees, and Group B and Group C, serial number 6 to 13, 250 rupees. and it shall be reckoned as on the closing date of online application, that is 16th November 2021 is the closing date of this one. Okay, so who are the interested and the eligible candidates are there, you have to click on the apply online and then you have to fill up the details. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of vacancies. It will be very much helpful to them. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,